Good evening, kids. Today we are going to learn how to find out taller and shorter. As in the previous, we measure the longest and the shortest one, right? उसी तरह हम यहाँ पे taller means लंबे ऊंचे, right? We are going to compare. Now see the question, observe the pictures and put right for taller and wrong for the shorter in the given box. Now first they have done for us that one giraffe is given and its baby. So if we will compare the height of both the giraffes, we can find out कि हम पता लगा सकते हैं कौन सा ऊंचा है कौन सा छोटा, राइट. सो एज यू ऑल कैन सी द हाइट ऑफ दिस जिराफ यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है. सो इफ विल ड्रॉ हियर वन लाइन, अगर हम यहाँ पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, ओके, एंड हियर ऑल्सो विल ड्रॉ वन लाइन. सो वी कैन सी this giraffe is taller than this one. Okay, so for the taller one they put here one right mark, and for the shorter one they put here wrong. Now see, we compare the next two images. The one man is given and a boy. So if we'll compare from here to here the height of this boy, right, अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे from here to here and the height of this man from here to here, we can easily find out, हमें आसानी से पता चल जाएगा कि कौन लंबा है और which one is shorter. So as you all can see, this height of this man is more than this boy, means this man will be the taller. So here we'll here put here one right mark, and this boy is shorter, छोटा है, so we'll put here one wrong mark. Okay, same way here we are going to compare two trees, right? Might be this is a coconut tree and this one maybe banyan tree, right? So if we compare it, see the height of this coconut tree is more than this tree, so we'll put here one right mark and here is wrong because this tree is shorter than this one. Same way cactus, so you can see this cactus is taller than this one, so here we'll put right mark, and this is shorter, so we'll put here wrong. Same way ladder is given, सीढ़ी दी है जिसे हम ऊपर चढ़ सकते हैं. So see which one is taller on your right side. Yes, good, this one is the taller one, so you'll put here right, and this is the shorter one than this, इससे छोटी है, so here wrong mark. Same way two mushrooms are given here. So if we compare this two, the first one to the left side, it is taller than this, so put here right mark, and this one is the shorter one, so wrong. Okay, same way this one. Question number 4, observe the pictures and put right for tallest means सबसे ऊंचा and wrong for the shortest, so सबसे छोटा है. Okay, so as you all can see जोकर दिए गए हैं 3, और इसमें से सबसे लंबा ये था, so उन्होंने यहाँ पे right mark किया है, and this one is the shortest one, सबसे छोटा था, so they put here wrong one. Okay, now see here 3 birds are given, the hen, flamingo and sparrow. If you'll observe it, the height of the flamingo is the tallest, is more than these two, right? So we'll put here right. अब बच्चे ये दोनों, तो इन दोनों को अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमें अब शॉर्टेस्ट चाहिए, तो शॉर्टेस्ट इज पैरो, छोटी है, सो पुट हियर रॉन्ग मार्क. ओके, सेम वे hut, a house and a apartment, skyscraper we can say. So if you'll see, this one is the tallest, सबसे ऊंचा है इन दोनों से, so we'll put here right mark. Now we'll compare this to the height of this hut is less than this house, so we'll put here wrong. So this is the shortest one and this is the tallest one. Okay, same way you need to do this 1 and 2 yourself. Okay, bye, take care, thank you.